I was reading a book at 7 pm. She was watching TV all evening. They were playing football in the park. We were having dinner at 8 pm. He was driving his car yesterday morning. I was practicing yoga this morning. They were packing their bags last night. She was watching the plants earlier. We were cleaning the house all day. The children were playing in the garden. He was telling a funny story. I was feeding my dog at noon. They were painting the house last weekend. She was browsing the internet for hours. We were listening to the news. Come on, speak along with me. If you want to speak English fluently, then practice, practice, only practice. I was writing in my journal. He was wearing a red shirt. They were discussing the project. She was crying during the movie. We were sitting on the balcony at midnight. I was not listening to the news. She was not cooking dinner. They were not playing outside. He was not driving the car. We were not feeling well. Was I singing too loudly? Were you working late last night? Was she studying when you arrived? Were they laughing at the joke? What were you doing at 10 pm? Why were you crying earlier? Where were they going? Wasn't he driving the car? Weren't they making an effort? I wasn't paying attention. She wasn't wearing her glasses. We weren't thinking clearly. Wasn't it raining yesterday evening? Were you reading that book? Wasn't she cooking when I called? I was watching TV when the phone rang. She was cooking when the power went out. They were playing when it started to rain. He was driving when he saw the accident. We were having a dream when the alarm rang. I was studying when the lights went out. She was walking when she met her friend. They were waiting for the bus when the accident happened. I was eating lunch when you called me. He was working when his wife phoned him. The kids were attending class when the bell rang. I was taking a shower when the doorbell rang. She was skiing when she broke her leg. We were living in Paris when I had my first baby. He was running when he sprained his ankle. I was thinking about you when you texted. They were discussing the plan when the boss entered. She was writing an email when her computer crashed. We were celebrating when we heard the news. It was raining heavily when I got up. I wasn't expecting that outcome. She wasn't following the instructions. He wasn't participating in the call. They weren't collaborating effectively. We weren't looking for a replacement. The system wasn't functioning properly. I wasn't aiming for that target. She wasn't wearing her headset. They weren't providing enough feedback. We weren't aiming to cause any delays. I was studying while my friends were chatting. She was cooking while the kids were watching TV. They were laughing while he was telling jokes. We were driving while it was snowing. He was showering while I was making dinner. I was listening to music while I was working. While they were playing, we were relaxing. She was reading while her brother was playing games. I was crying while he was laughing. While it was raining, I was having a cup of coffee. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. While I was walking, I was thinking about my future. She was dancing while the band was playing. We were talking while we were waiting for the bus. While he was cycling, he was listening to a podcast. I was trying to sleep while the neighbors were arguing. They were working hard while everyone else was resting. While you were sleeping, I was cleaning the kitchen. She was smiling while she was opening a gift. I was wondering if you were coming to the party. I was watching the cricket match when the power went out. My mother was cooking dinner while my brother was studying for his exams. I was waiting for the bus when it suddenly started raining. Sorry, I missed your call. I was taking a bath. The children were playing in the park until it got dark. I was working on my office project all night yesterday. We were planning to go to the temple this morning. The teacher was explaining the lesson when the bell rang. They were decorating the house for the wedding when we arrived. I was thinking of calling you, but then I got busy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And see you in the next video. Past Perfect Tense Grammar Series episode number 7 for Spoken English. We will definitely speak English fluently.